Hey everybody, Patrick Kenney here of FFXacademy.com. One of the main reasons people struggle is their overbearing ability to analyze the charts. And I'm here to tell you today that it is screwing you up. How you doing today, traders? One of the questions I get asked all the time is, hey, what do you think of my chart? And people will send me markups like you see behind me, and they'll talk about, what do you think of this level? What do you think of what I did here? Check it out for me. And of course, I give them my feedback, but one thing that I notice across the board is that people constantly are going overboard on their analysis. You see, trading is a very simple process. It should not be overanalyzed in any single way. Trading is based off of just a couple factors. A couple of them that we focus on in the Academy is structure and sequence. And a lot of people think that they need to look at every little intricate piece of the market. Now, one of the key tips I constantly talk about is understanding that you need to understand the market in an overall picture, not what's happening on a minute level that happened at lunchtime today. Focus on what happened in 2015 in comparison to 2016, in comparison to 2017, to this year in 2018. That's one of the things a lot of people deal with. And this altogether is analysis paralysis on a whole nother level when it comes to trading. And so today I want you to ask yourself and audit yourself. Am I over-analyzing my charts? Am I getting too intricate in my detail, which is then throwing different signs? Basically what's happening is you're throwing contradicting details inside of your charts. And suddenly you think you have a setup, but then you go, wait, maybe that would happen though. Maybe that's going to deter me of making money. And this happens to all sort of traders. And as we talked about in one of the previous videos, we talked about the one rule that will guarantee you success in the market. And you guys know what that is now. Portfolio management. Your analysis should not be the most important part. So don't let your analysis deter you from actually trading. Don't have analysis paralysis. Once again, guys, my goal and my dream is to make consistently profitable traders. Here at FFXacademy.com, we are doing that one by one, and over the last 3 years, we have brought in over 1,000 clients. Click the link below, FFXacademy.com, and join our free group, as well as get our advanced course and change your life today. I'll see you on the next episode.